on challenging our students to new heights and helping them achieve their highest goals. This school has a lot of parental involvement from K through 9 and lets the parents participate in a way that is different from other schools. This amazing staff has changed my education in a positive way because I can always know someone to ask a question to.
The thing that I really like about the Early Light Academy is the parent involvement. I think it really helps the students learn, and it's really important for parents to know what their students are doing, and parents are the most important commodity for students, and I think Early Light does a really good job of using that utility.
Hi, I'm Desi Stout, SVO President of Early Light Academy, and I'm here to talk to you about why you should come to our school.
You by my side, so that I never feel alone again. They've always been so kind.
I like the smaller class sizes so it's more one-on-one time. The teachers know me personally and they help me with what I need.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in their dream. And they come unstuck.
The extracurricular activities helped me learn more about soccer. I had a great experience getting to know my teammates and school friends. I like that the teachers know me and they are open to helping me and answering my questions.
I like Early Light Academy is because all the teachers know me personally. I get the help I need when I have questions, and they know my strengths and weaknesses. I've also played some extracurricular activities, and this has helped me learn some skills I wouldn't have learned if I wouldn't have taken them.
Some legends are told, some turn to dust or to gold, but you will remember me for centuries. Just one mistake is all it will take. We'll go down in history.
8 words! I'm just gonna figure this out. Okay, it is your job. You can do a partner, you can do anything you want, but I need you, red team, to tell me what word means aware. Blue, which ones of your words are you able to obtain?
Okay, what, anything else? We always know it about the liberty and the freedom part, right? Okay, so if you're looking at this painting of Washington in the flag there, so its symbol, the idea behind it would be freedom.
What influences our school culture?
So I think that the thing that, a lot of the things that make ELA school culture so good is the relationships between teachers and kids. Not all schools have such positive and involved relationships with teachers and kids and their parents also. Like we have in the junior high, we have Pride, where teachers and kids have that extra connection with somebody who's not necessarily one of their core subject area teachers. We also use the 7 Habits, which teaches just proactive social skills and things like that, so that people can get along with each other and be the best kids that they can be. I think that second step I know that we've had in the elementary school is really helpful for teaching those social skills and teaching kids to get along well with each other, which is a really important part of school culture. We have a clean building thanks to our custodial staff, and I think one thing that really helps our school culture is just the friendliness, like walking down the halls and looking at people and smiling and saying hi and things like that. It's amazing how many high fives I get when I'm walking down the hall, and I think that's just a really good indicator of the positive school culture that we have. People know each other, people care about each other.
The buddy bench is a simple way to show that you need a friend. No one deserves to be lonely. Kids can simply just walk up and ask if they need a friend. They can even get to know the kid while they're sitting on the bench. Boom, no more lonely people.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Let's run!
When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed.